Welcome to Basic Science class. We always think that man is superior to other living beings in all aspects. But is this correct? We are superior to other living beings only in the case of our brain. There are different organisms who exceeds man with their extraordinary abilities. For example, our mother always hides sweets from you. But the ants can find it, but we can't. The eagle can see its prey like a chick from kilometers above the high sky. Can you do it? Dog can identify our presence even if he is sleeping. How these are happening? Yes, they have sense organs like us. Ants have touch receptors. Eagle have sharp eyes. Dogs have a great sense of smell. So these abilities help them to do so. So which are the sense organs? Sense organs help us to easily cooperate with this world. These are the input units of human body. Through these input units we collect data. We have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. Are these 5 organs. The working and protection of these organs are the points that we have to discuss today. Which are the informations that we collect through our eyes? Let's observe a tree at a certain distance away from you. Now which are the informations do you get through this observation? You may be understand that it is a jackfruit tree. It is about 50 meters away from you. It may be 100 meters tall. It's about 1 meter thickness. It is blackish grey in color. Its leaves are green. The shape of its leaves are oval in shape. You can also collect there are 7 fruits in it, etc. These are some of the points or informations that you have got from the eyes, right? Which are the parts of an eye? You can see the eyelids, eyelashes and pupil. Centrally located a pupil. There are more parts inside the eye. You may project the sunlight using a mirror to the screen. Likewise, hand lens also make an image which is inverted. So an inverted image of the object is formed. Our eye is also doing the same activity. Instead of lens, human eye has a lens called cornea inside our eye. Hand lens can project images to the wall. Just the same way, our lens cornea projects the image to a screen called retina inside our eye. This retina have nerves and these nerves carry this information to the brain. Brain identify the object and real erect image can be seen. We have 2 eyes with the same duty. Is one is enough? Let's do an experiment. Try to place the cap of the pen in your friend's hand. Try to do the same thing with one eye shut. You can see it is difficult to do the same when one eye is shut. This is one of our ability of our eye. The ability to see by focusing both eyes on the same point is termed as binocular vision. We can see by focusing both eyes on the same point is called binocular vision. We get an accurate knowledge of the distance and position of object by this. But when you shut one eye, this correlation is not taking place. That is why it is difficult to place the cap on its correct position when you shut your eye. Okay. We are enjoying this beautiful world full of colors and beauty. But there are certain people that don't have the ability to see. They are blind people. Keep your eyes closed for some time. What do you feel? All are darkness, right? How they overcome their disability? Use the sound and touch, right? White cane is a white stick used by blind people for safe movement. They can detect the obstacle by the sound of the white cane. Braille script helps blind to read. The letters are recorded by way of projected dots on thick paper which can be felt by touch. Talking watch helps them to know the time. Lots of problems of eyes can be rectified by replacing certain parts of eye. Cornea is the main item that can be replaced in an eye. Thousands of people are dying every day. All their body parts are buried under the soil or burned. Did they donate their eyes? It will be better. Donating one's eyes after death is called eye donation. If all these died people are ready to donate their eyes, there are no blind people in the world. It will be a great thing, isn't it? Observe the poster of eye donation in your textbook and try to make your own. So now we realize the importance of our eyes. But don't you realize it or not? You are watching TV or playing mobile hours and hours continuously. This may adversely affect your sight. What are the points to be remembered for protecting your eyes? See these points given in your textbook. Also read curious facts about chameleon, owl and cat. Okay, so we can recognize the barking of dogs, sound of bats who are in the mango tree in night. And how can you understand these without light? You understand these with the help of sound, that is with the help of ear. The only part we can see in the ear or the external ear is the pinna. It receives sound and directs them into the ear. These sounds pass through different parts of the ear and this information passes to brain. Then we recognize sound. We are always doing harmful things to our ear. Hearing the songs with a full volume of loudspeaker and earphone hearing these loud sound continuously will result in permanent disability to hear. So we should protect our ear. Being deaf is a very sad thing. We couldn't hear the songs. We couldn't talk to our dear ones. There are certain devices that help those people. These devices are known as hearing aids. Snakes do not possess external ear, but they are able to make out slightest movement on earth. So this is advised that when you go outside during night, make your footsteps clear by making sound. Thus the chances of snake bites will be less. So this is all about ears. How do you recognize that mother make chicken curry? Frying fish in the kitchen. When frying the banana chips, ripened jackfruit is cut. We identify all these instances by smell itself. When smelling something, the smallest particle of that object dissolves in air and reaches our nose. From this information, brain detects that object. But man has a poor sense of smell. There are champions of smell. Shark, dog and even the snake can use the smell to identify things. Which is your favorite food? What's its taste? The taste of every food attracts you to it. How will you identify the taste? The food dissolved in saliva reaches the taste buds and this information passes to brain. Look at the picture of your tongue. Where are the taste buds of each taste situated? Can you find the taste of chilies in it? Right, because the taste of chilies is known by the tongue as a burning sensation. It's not a taste at all. When a person gently touches you, or a hot or cold object touches your body, you realize the sense of touch. Skin helps us to sense the touch. Skin is covered all over our body. It is the largest organ in our body. There are receptors all over the skin, helps to sense the touch. The touch receptors are more at fingertips, cheeks and lips. So they are very sensitive parts of our body. How will you protect the skin? We can protect it by cleaning the skin during bathing. We should protect it from the excessive cold and heat by using clothes. We usually think talcum powder like makeup items will help your skin, but it is a misunderstanding. There are small holes in the skin for sweatening. The powder or cream will fill that space. It will be difficult for the skin to clean that hole again. So it is not a healthy habit. Then we discussed about the 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. So there are 2 activities for you. First one is complete the table in page number 94, and second one is write about the working of 5 sense organs. Okay, so the chapter is over. Study hard for complete your pages. Okay.